guys, we're in Stari Grad Mostar. Stari Grad means old city, just so you know.
Let's check it out. Look at that castle up there. Ooh, is this the pomegranate juice you recommend?
Very nice. Lemon juice, lemon flowers, lemon.
And that fresh pomegranate and lemon juice as we go up.
We're going to a castle in Mostar.
We're almost to the top, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is now. Can I come up here? You go first. You want me to go first? Oh, should take a picture of that. Look at that view. Oh, it goes all the way. All the way up there. Still going. Wow. It's wow. Zenny. What's up?
We're in Mostar. We're in Lubiski at a waterfall. And it looks beautiful.
Why don't they like try to like?
Did you go?
To the plant.
Let me put this video down. Where do you want to eat, Rome?
I want to touch the water.
I want to go swimming in here.
Yeah.
That's 1.5? Thank you.
Wow. Wait, take pictures. I thought I.
What's up, Romy? Yeah, it's so clear.
Look upstairs.
Monastery, huh? No running around, jumping around.
A green turkey flag means they're Arabic. Mom, I know what the green turkey flag
So he's just like running around.
is.
Why? This is amazing. Look at